welcome back to our channel. So today we are headed to my mom and dad's house. I'm actually just now pulling in the driveway, and today we are making gingerbread houses. We have a very competitive family, so this should get interesting. Everybody is gonna be here except for my brother Cade. He's my youngest brother that you usually see in the vlogs a lot. His girlfriend lives in Baton Rouge. Well, she doesn't live in Baton Rouge, but her family does, and so they're down in Baton Rouge for Christmas with her family. And so the rest of us will be here, and we're about to head into my mom and dad's house, and my dad and my brother are currently making tamales. I'm vlogging. My brother's honking at me. Oh my god, Chaz, you could totally go around me, but he's not doing it. Okay, I've got all the snacks that I'm bringing. I thought that you were already in there making tamales with Dad. Oh, you went duck hunting this morning. Poor little duck. Hey, Dad.
Hey! Look, it's already coming together.
Wow. I have a shadow. Literally. What you doing, puppy? Okay, so I've got to get the gingerbread houses out. Oh, womp. They're in the other part. Okay. Got about 7 billion gingerbread houses. You want one? Oh. So many gingerbread houses. All right, Dad started making tamales. I know it doesn't look like it yet. Kind of looks like a bunch of poo on a tray, but we're getting there. I mean, I promise they taste really good. They don't look good right now, but they definitely taste good. This has got to be the least sanitary thing I've ever seen in my life.
Okay.
All of our food and these nasty duck feathers over here.
I think I'm gonna go over there and help Dad.
Yeah, I don't think so. You got duck blood all over your hands. Been working on the video. I am almost done with it. I'm ready to be done with it. Okay, so I got this salsa at Whole Foods, and we're gonna try it. It's not contact like we usually use, so we'll see. Okay, it's been a little while later, and the salsa that I just showed you was terrible. It was from Whole Foods, and it was awful. It tasted like water, and it smelled like pickles. It was just a terrible combination. So I ran up to the grocery store and got some paste. The picante sauce is my absolute favorite, so it's my family's favorite. Like, it's just the salsa we've always eaten, and we just learned not to stray from it.
Hey guys, I made it home from work. I'm about to see if Chuck wants some help rolling these tamales. He's gonna show me the ways of the tamale making.
Alright, Jared's already tapped out on the couch. We're waiting on the video to save, thank God. And we're about to watch Nightmare Before Christmas. Mom's never seen it really before. She tried to watch it like a couple of weeks ago, and she was like, my TV's in Spanish. So it didn't really work out for her. So we're gonna rewatch it again in English so that she can understand.
Can you see it?
Joe's here.
Hey buddy.
Somebody's here.
You got some sleepy looking eyes right now.
Very tired. We're looking at the Christmas tree. It's like the most fun thing to do.
Some reindeer socks?
Yeah.
Oh, moose. It's a moose sock.
I got a traditional gingerbread house, a Haribo gingerbread house, a Hershey's one, a train for Bo, and a Jelly Belly one. So it's time to build gingerbread houses. Okay, Chaz is adamant about getting a hot glue gun and hot gluing your gingerbread house together because he said the icing's not good enough.
Peppermint. One pepper. Oh, I was misled.
Hey.
Oh, sorry, can't go back now.
You have a whole pack of
You opened it, you built it.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols like you.
Construction on gingerbread houses is almost complete. Mine's done. Not the best craftsmanship in the world, but it's alright.
I think yours is good.
It looks like the sides are falling in on it, but it's alright. Brett's is like super
See, I
happy.
think there should be a rubric here. I think there should be the construction portion of it is number one.
Creativity.
And then if you have icing left, and then creativity should be, it all should be a rubric in you.
Degree of difficulty. She's saying that because she knows she's gonna lose. Brett's is like super colorful and definitely looks like it came from the North Pole or something. Like,
Elf race back.
let's take a look at Chaz and Macy's here. They had the advantage. They started doing this last night, so they kind of got to warm up.
And they work together. Everybody else was like solo on their own. Fend for yourself.
They got some snowflakes on the roof there, all the way around. Some gummy bears.
They got the snowflakes.
Pretty nice. Lolly's almost there. She's the one dragging up the rear though.
Well, it takes time, do things.
Can't rush perfection, can you?
There you go.
All right, tamales are ready. Everybody's eating them. Bo's trying to eat them. Mom's still working on her gingerbread house. Are you done yet?
And the 3 was there. I said,
Let's move this. Let's move
that's
this.
11. I said,
This thing out of the way.
That thing out of the way.
again. I said,
So pretty. Good job. Can we push you?
You can't use mine, so you're
Then you
like
can't use the icing on
anybody
the
that
choo-choo train.
anybody that like this, you gotta take your look back.
You
We gotta
can't
do it
use the
again.
icing out of the choo-choo train then.
No,
You had already
Too-
finished
well,
yours
too
and I
much-
used your leftovers.
too much collusion, Russian
Well,
collusion.
rubric.
Call Vladimir and tell him you can't.
Not my gingerbread house.
Not my gingerbread.
Look,
Not my gingerbread
look
competition.
at the construction on this one where the thing, you can put a level on C.
Your window wall is sinking in. Okay, so if these two are disqualified from using somebody else's stuff.
No, we're not.
No, Mom is because
No, we're
she's
not.
late. No, you.
You did not say that. You said you-
So we're arguing about whether Lolly's house should count or not because she used pieces from somebody else's
because I-
gingerbread house, which was clearly stated those were the rules ahead of time.
Look, Jared's wall.
So you'll see a vlog that before we even started today's video.
And so Chaz is calling her out on collusion here.
Mom's literally mad because we said she was disqualified. So each had different.
Just think we married into this.
right? And like mom.
So these were the finished products. There was Britt's.
What did we do?
Very good. There was mine.
Oh, we still got presents, don't we?
That was Lolly's. And her confiscated pieces back here that she used illegally. And then that was Chaz and Macy's. Bo says that's a bad dog.
You ready for one? Let's see. Hold on, it's too hard for you, baby. I gotta break this off. Here.
Bo's really liking Lolly's Christmas treat she's made here. It's just like Rolos on top of pretzels with pecans on top. And then Britt's starting to bake sugar cookies with snowmen on them.
Best part of any holiday is getting the Pillsbury sugar cookies. I don't think that all these will fit, Mama.
This is a peach.
Two bacons?
Two sheets. They're ready.
Hello, wake up. Good morning.
Alright, so we made it back from Britt's mom and dad's house. We just got home.
We're watching the fireplace on like our network that we have. It's like Comcast. They have a fireplace and we just put it on and it actually plays Christmas music like with the fireplace. So it's the most relaxing thing ever. So we just put it on every night and lay down and hang out with our fake fireplace. There's our faux fire. I wish so much that it would give off heat because it is so cold in here. And our heater won't hurry up and kick in. I don't know what's happening. Anyways, y'all, we're about to like get ready. Jared's already, this is his sleep shirt, so.
Yeah, I don't literally just wear this shirt all the time just for the heck of it.
He sleeps in it all the time.
Really comfortable.
But anyways, I'm about to get ready for bed, take a bath, brush my teeth, and get ready for bed. I don't have to go to work until like noon tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna sleep in. I'm actually probably gonna edit this video, but we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.